Hi, my name is Wana Zira binti Wan Abdullah, and today I will be presenting my final year project titled IMCC Bantu One-to-One Web Application. So firstly, let me introduce the background of this project by introducing the client, which is IMCC. IMCC is an organization in USM that manage many programs related to international students in USM, and currently they are offering Bantu One-to-One service, which is a personalized assistance package that can be bought by students. The current practice is that students will pay through Razer and then they need to manually email MCC sites. Otherwise, MCC will not be able to know that they have made payment. After receipt have been approved, MCC sites and students will need to communicate through email or personal chats in order to discuss the subscribe package details. From the introduction before, it can be seen that the main problem currently faced by MCC is the lack of centralized system that can be used as a tracking and management platform for Bantu service. Next, the reliance on current communication tools, which are email and personal chats, are not efficient since response may be slow and some message may be overlooked when there is a high volume of message received. Thirdly, there is no accessible and user-friendly platform for international students in USM to have active discussion with each other. This brings us to the next slide, which is the system objective. Firstly, is to provide centralized platform that can streamline the management of Bantu service offered by MCC. Next is to provide Next is to improve communication process between students who subscribe the package and MCC admins who will manage the Bantu service. Thirdly is to create a user-friendly forum so that students can have active discussion with each other. This is the proposed solution for the system. The ticket will be created when client upload receipt for the package that they have bought. The receipt will then be approved or rejected by admin, and if rejected, they need to upload the receipt again. And if approved, they need to submit required package details. Here is the example of details required package. After that, admin can approve or reject the details, and if they reject, they need to provide new details as counter offer. Similarly, client also can approve or reject, and if reject, client will give another counter offer, and this will go on until both sides reach agreement, which is when the package details have been approved. At this stage, the ticket will be in active state, and client can submit complaint if they have any issues about the subscribe package. After the service have been completed and there is no active complaint, admin can close the ticket. Next, I will introduce the module diagram for the proposed solution. There are three modules for this project. Firstly is the user module that will handle login, register, and profile for both client and admin. Next, student support module, which will be the core module of the system. It will have package listing, which is the list of all available package that can be subscribed by students. Then is the ticket monitoring, which will have three other submodules, which are receipt status management, package request details management, and complaint management. Thirdly is the community module, which will have forum and some data visualization. Then let me explain the benefits and positive impacts that this project can offer. Firstly is to simplify and improve the management of Bantuan service for both client and admin. In addition, the system also helps to improve transparency and reliability of the service, since all information related to the subscribe package can be easily found in the system. Lastly is to increase community spirit among USM students through the forum platform. In terms of entrepreneurship opportunity, the system can be tailored as a ticketing platform which can manage various service offerings. For example, in educational institutions that offer mentoring service, or small business owner that provide pet sitting or babysitting service so that they can handle service booking and handle customer question efficiently. So next, we'll proceed with the system demo.